We could not figure this out. We listened to this again and again and again. What you're going to hear here is the sound of something creaking. Again, this was not an animal. This was not, this could not have been a door or anything like that, because we were in the middle of the woods and nothing we had could have possibly have made this sound. Yet, it sounds like a metal chest being opened or closed, or it sounds like a creaking door. Can't explain it. It's a one-of-a-kind sound. It doesn't belong where we were. I want you to listen to it.